where are you? Big party's getting started. We cannot kick it off without you.
Hells, I lost track of time. On my way. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
You sure you're at the right party?
This is a celebration for the Saints, is it not?
We got a party going on, so I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet. Fuck the Panteros, fuck the Idols, fuck Marshall. The Saints are here to stay, baby!
We built this together.
Thanks for getting shot, Eli.
Should we go in?
You guys go. I just want to take a minute out here.
Heard there's a party.
Hey! It's good to see you, man.
I've been thinking a lot about what you said. About the Saints. I've been alone for a long time. I always viewed friends as a liability, a weakness. But I was wrong. Seeing you with Kev, Nina, Eli, they really make you stronger.
Yeah, they really do.
I want to know what that feels like.
Well, let's go. Why?
Well, because I cannot live your life if you are still breathing. Look, you have a lot of heart, but let's face it, I'm just a better version of you. You could not even protect yourself. How would you ever protect your friends if someone like me came along, huh? This is for the best. Do not worry. I'll keep our friends safe.
Where am I? Snickerdoodle?
Los Panteros aren't my crew anymore.
Hey, Nina's car. Boy, it was a view.
Our family's so far away, you know?
Feels like I'm keeping part of them with me.
We built this together.
Brunch is a time for friends and mimosa.
Eli's whiteboard. I feel like there's a lot we're missing.
There is, but it's enough to go on for now.
Let's get our boys back home.
Offliner. Did we ever get that for Kev? I can't remember.
Thanks for the rescue. Really owe you one.
Forget it, man. We're family. What is it? I can't remember. We're supposed to do something. You're right. I am late. I just can't remember for what. Oh, right. Game night. I'm here, guys. Sorry I'm late.
No worries, we started without you. Hurry up if you want in.
Hey, glad you made it. You've got some catching up to do, but you might still win if you collect 3 more bears. And I can help you with that. If you get me 7 measly little llamas, I will give to you this extremely valuable bear.
701? That's highway robbery. But I'm in.
Where those llamas at? Me out, I help you out. Macroeconomics at its best.
Jackpot.
I take delivery of 7 llamas and present to you 1 bear.
Thanks, man. My bear's gonna ride your llamas roughshod.
Game ain't over. It's Nina's turn.
Welcome to the party.
Glad to be here. How can I help you?
I've got almost a full collection of elephants, but the baby ran away. Got a second bear for you if you can find it for me.
One baby elephant coming up. Have you ever actually petted an elephant? Snakes? I didn't know we were playing with a snake expansion.
Don't blame us. You're the one who bought it.
Okay. Come here, elephant. Come on now. There we go. Don't run. It's okay.
Got my elephant? The bear is lonely over here.
Fuck. Bit me.
What did you expect? It's a snake. Aw, mira que cute. Thank you. And here is your bear.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Okay, Kev, your turn.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, yourself. What can I do for you?
I'm playing a snail strategy tonight. Find me 3 snails, and I will give you this bear I just happen to have in my hand.
Last bear for the win. Wait, where did all the snails go?
They're hiding, but come on. You can outsmart snails, can't you?
snail. Damn snakes.
Hey, nobody made you buy the expansion.
2 snails. God damn it, snakes keep getting in the way. What? Oh, they are coming from the barn. That's weird. Yeah, I should go in there and root them out.
Forget about the stupid old barn.
Stay here and play with us. Last bear for the win.
I don't know. Snickerdoodle's right. I gotta go in there and deal with the snakes. What? Hell. Clothes. Is that my blood? God. Party. Him. Nina. Eli.
You should have listened to your friends. You should have known better than to play with snakes.
Help me! Somebody help!
Eli? I'm coming. Where are you? It's okay. I'm here.
If you'd been there at the Idols party, I wouldn't have gotten shot.
Eli. Hello? Can you...
Let your friends get hurt because you were wallowing in your own self-pity. What kind of friend is that?
I could use some help here.
Nina! Nina, I've got your back.
You? You couldn't even kill Sergio. The Nawali had to do it for you.
You talk a good game when you're safe at home. But what matters, you let your friends down. You do not have what it takes. When the really bad guys show up to play, you come up snake eyes.
He's already won!
Help! Anybody there?
I'm here. Kevin, I'm here. Kev?
I wasn't calling you. Don't you get it? You're just not a good enough friend.
Oh.
You're already dead.
What? Why can't I move?
Because you can't do anything right. You ruin everything. That's why you needed me. Now you're dead, and everything you built is mine. Your friends are mine, your empire is mine. The Saints are all mine.
Like hell they are.
Nina! Kev! Eli! Anybody!
You have 3 new messages.
Hey, it's Kev. Where are you at? The crate paper's up, the music's pounding, the party's starting.
Where did you go? Antonio's still waiting to talk to you. Dude's sitting here with a big briefcase of money. Let's not leave that on the table, huh?
Where the fuck are you? The Nawali's gone crazy. He's shooting.
Hi, Nina. You will not be needing your phone any longer.
God.
Everything smells amazing, Kev.
You know what would make it smell even better?
Let me guess. Pancakes.
You know it.
Hey, look who's home.
How was your day?
Not bad. I got some blood on my favorite shirt.
Sounds like you could use some champagne.
Thanks, Eli. Please, sit. So, what did you all do today?
You know what we did.
You're upset.
You think?
I do not like to see you upset.
Well, maybe you should have thought of that before.
Nina, please.
We'll discuss your gratitude later. Hello.
Where are they?
They're safe.
I am coming for you, motherfucker.
Good. It'll save me some time. I'm sorry. That threw me off. Okay. We'll try this again with a little more energy. And Kev, be sure to have some club soda ready, eh? I don't want this stain to set.
Everything smells amazing, Kev.
Guns. I need guns to rescue him. Yeah, okay. I know where to get those. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Yo, this is Kevin. My phone's on silent, so leave a message after I drop the beep. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Kev, I don't know if when you'll get this, but everything's going to be fine. I'm coming to get you, okay? I won't let you down.
Hello. You've reached Eli's voicemail. I can't come to the phone right now, but if you'll leave a message, you can trust I'll get back to you within a reasonable time frame.
Eli, it's me. You hang in there, okay? You ain't getting hurt this time. I'm on my way.
This is Nina. You know what to do.
Hey, Nina, I'm coming. I'm gonna kill that guy this time. Oh! Fuck. Alarm. Better arm up quick. Hey, fuck what? Guess where I am? Your house, taking your stuff.
I'm waiting for you. Let's finish this back where we began it.
Dead as a doornail.
Get down!
Finish this where we began it. That's a trap for sure. Fuck, I got no other leads. Guess I'm gonna walk into this trap. Next stop, Silver Gulch. Okay, gotta get psyched. Oh, I know.
But only you can decide how you react to adversity. Only you can choose to adapt to the changes that life throws your way. Your friends deserve better. You deserve better. You are more than a cog in a corporate machine. You are not defined by your student debt or your useless degree. You have more agency and power than the world wants you to know. But to realize that power, there's something you need to do. You need to be your own boss. Of your job, of your happiness, of your life. You don't make $15 an hour, no. You're selling hours of your life away for 15 bucks a piece. So what do I say to the person who wants to get paid what they deserve? Be your own boss. That's right. Be your own boss. Now, life. Am I right? Life is full of adversity and challenges. But if you want to learn from your mistakes instead of getting punished for someone else's, what are you gonna do? Be your own boss. Be your own boss. Be your own boss. You've been an amazing audience. T-shirts, DVDs, and signed photos are available for purchase in the lobby. Thank you, Stillwater, and good night.
I'm going to piece of your corpse.
That was so good I surprised myself. Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. You gonna come out and face me, or do I gotta come to you like last time? See you soon. Alright, here's the deal. You motherfuckers know where your boss is keeping my friends. So, how about you just tell me, and then I can be on my way. Any takers? I know it's not likely, but, you know, I figure I should do due diligence. It's really in your best interest. I only need one of you alive to tell me what I need to know, and the odds of it being you is pretty... You know what? Fuck it, I tried.
Tear this fucker to pieces.
I'll stop shooting
You'll
if
never leave
somebody
this place
talks.
alive!
You gonna tell me what I want to know?
You will die in Silver Gulch.
Tell me where your boss is!
You have walked into the Nawali's trap!
I'm listening!
Come out wherever you are!
Tell me where my friends are!
You will never betray the Nawali! You will not live long enough to find your friends!
Had to hurt. Nawali, you fucking coward! Get out!
fucking silver coach! Running won't help! I'll chase every last one of you down until somebody talks. Oh, fucking hell. Got it, this ain't bad track. I'm gonna survive this, Nawali, and I'm going to find him. How do you light the Nawali's trap? Okay, asshole. I'm here, where we started. Come out and face me. I said, come out and face! You're not even here, are you? Motherfucker. Come on, work!
Biometrics not recognized.
Dead as a doornail.
Biometrics recognized. Welcome, employee 92245.
Guess this old Marshall stuff still has me in the database. Bet you I can make him talk now. Smaller than I remember.
Hey, offer's still good. Tell me where the Nawali is, and I won't kill you. Rescue doggies, fair game. So good I What? No. No! Fuck! Fuck! God damn it! Come on, guys. This is just wasteful. Later, Gator. I didn't think I'd have to kill more than like 10 of you, but whatever.
Can't believe this hunk of junk is still here.
Any takers? How about you? God balls, did I kill them all again? Oh, good, there's more. Holy shit, there's more. I guess you didn't go low on ammo. Somebody's got a blab. Secret diary, you? Okay, that's you want some love too? Ooh.
We're dealing with the drone.
Stop without answers. Good, I surprised myself.
Dude, I've had a long fucking day. Can we please be reasonable people?
I can't...
You're gonna say you can't tell me because the Nawali will kill you, then I'll say, if you don't tell me, I'll kill you. And we're just gonna be right back to where we started, so let's just skip that part.
No, I was gonna say I can put the address in your phone.
Oh. Yeah, no. That'd be super helpful.
You mind unlocking it?
Whoops, sorry about that.
You're a fucking maniac.
Well, you know, I have a lot of practice and pent-up rage.
I hear that.
Parents?
Alimony. Anyway, secret bunker address is in there.
Thanks, man.
I'm George, by the way.
You're an alright guy, George. When you wake up, you should stop by the church. The Saints could use a guy with some common sense.
Go!
Now, let's see if my biometrics still work on this VTOL.